Big Spender from the musical Sweet Charity, written in 1965 by Coleman with the words by Dorothy Fields. I'll play it in D minor. It opens up with a D in the bass, and you're playing a D and a C in the melody, so it's... And the second time, I add an A to that. An A here on the third string with that melody. And then it starts off on the second fret, third string, A, B, C sharp, and then it goes to a D minor chord. And then the melody for this D minor chord starts off on the D note, and then roll down the D minor chord to the fourth string, and then roll back up 3, 2, E, F, and roll back down, and then to a B flat chord, where the melody is on the third, second, and then you lift off for that E note, lift your bar off, E note, F, and then move up to an E seventh chord with the melody on the first string, fourth fret. And this E seventh chord is like a D7. It's just moved up to with an E in the bass. So up till now it's D minor, and then it goes to the B minor chord, and then the E seventh chord. Your next chord is a long A, because your melody's on the fifth fret of the first string, and then down to the G note, which is the third fret of the first string, all with your bar on this A second fret, with an A in the bass, and then back to a D minor, where your melody's an F, E, D, and then you move to this B flat chord with an open E. And what I'm doing there is holding down a B flat there on the fifth string, first fret, and I'm holding down the D on the second string, third fret, open E. And then I'm coming to an A seventh chord with the melody on the second string, C sharp. So up till now we have all D minor, all B flat, E seventh, A seventh, D minor, B flat with an open E, A seventh, and then it repeats. Here you just hit the E seventh once with this G sharp on the first string, And then you move up to this D minor. And the D minor is just on the 10th fret, you're holding down the first 3 strings and you're hitting a D in the bass. And you're playing the second, first strings. And then you move to this B flat 7th, which is fretted on the 3rd fret of the first 4 strings. And you put your pinky down here on the 4th fret for the 7th. And then you play the single note run, which is G sharp, G, F, G sharp, G, F, and then back down to a D minor, but you're not playing the first string, so you only have to hold down these 2. And it goes back to the beginning. And then to the break. So the break starts out with single notes on the, starting with the A note on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and just moving up 1 fret at a time. And then you play your melody on the 1st string F sharp, which is the 2nd fret, with 3 different chords. The 1st chord is a D chord. The 2nd chord is an F sharp minor chord. And the 3rd chord is a B minor chord. All using this F sharp as your melody. So it's... And then it repeats the single notes, and this time with an E minor, and your melody is on the 1st string G on the 3rd fret for all 3 of these chords, which is an E minor, and then a B7th, and for the B7th I'm playing the 5th string B, 2nd fret, and the 4th string on the 1st fret. And then back to another E minor. And then this repeats again. And then you go to a B flat chord with your melody on the 2nd string, A 7th chord, melody on the 2nd string. You can fret it up here to do this B flat 7. Or this B flat 7 and A, and then it goes back to the beginning CD run to end. So the break looks like this.